In this video, I'm going to show you how to download IBKR desktop. So the first thing you want to do, you want to go to their official website, and then on here, you want to scroll down, and then just keep scrolling until you find this part where it says institutional grade tools built for you, and here it says IBKR desktop. So just click on that. It's going to take you to a separate tab in your browser, and then here you want to click on download IBKR desktop, and then you'll be able to basically select latest or beta. I'm just going to go for latest right now, and then you can go ahead and select your platform, and I'm going to just select Windows, and you want to click on download. Now whenever you do this, it's going to download this onto your computer, so just open it up like that. And it's basically going to open up this window. There we go, which is the setup wizard. You want to click on next first. Then you can select whatever you want it to be installed. I'm just going to leave it as default, and I'm going to click on next again. Then here it's going to say this already exists. I'm just going to do it anyway. So I'm going to do yes. For you, likely it's not going to show that. Then of course you can create a desktop icon if you want to, and click on next again. And it's going to start extracting all the files over here. Now usually this is going to be very quick, and whenever this comes to the end here, your IBKR desktop will basically be installed to your computer. So of course, if you have a better computer, this may take a few seconds, but if you have like a slower computer with a lot of different files on there, this may take up a few seconds, and of course up a few minutes as well. So just wait for it to go to the end, and whenever that's done, there we go, you can just run it right away, and you can click on finish, and it's basically gonna run up IBKR desktop. You can log in and start using the platform. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.